The purpose of this demonstration is to highlight the real need for us to revisit, re-examine and question the existing configuration of the domestic sewing machine, a configuration which currently favours the left-handed operator. So let's briefly explore how this configuration came about. The earliest known models of sewing machines were operated manually. So to capitalise on the fact that the majority of people have greater strength in the right arm by virtue of being right-handed, the hand crank was placed on the right-hand side of the machine. The fact that total consideration was given to the drive mechanism on the right meant that all other operational functions were placed to the left. Therefore, the majority, if not all functions demanding dexterity on a sewing machine, are placed on the left and are therefore more ably performed naturally by the left-handed operator. This results in right-handed operators having to continually adapt, either by moving the sewing machine to the right to enable them to use their natural hand, or leaving it where it should be, thereby having to use their left hand. Once the consideration for the hand crank was dispensed with, the design which faces off to the left therefore became null and void. It would have made sense to reverse the configuration at that time. This simple change to the configuration enables the right-handed operator to carry out the many functions that demand dexterity with ease by using their natural hand. Functions which involve threading the machine, threading the cotton through the needle, putting the bobbin case into the race area, then the use of the machine, which involves the setting up of the fabric, folding, pinning, and cutting of the fabric and cotton. The maintenance of the machine demands that we cope with the changing of needles, undoing the needle plate screws, the removing of the hook and the hook cover. Now a lot easier by using the right hand. Cleaning and oiling the race area. Changing of the globe, adjusting the pressure bar, removing the presser foot adapter, removing the flatbed free arm tray, all carried out with the right hand. At last, we have a user-friendly model for both the left-hander and, with the new configuration, the right-handed operator. To conclude, this choice of models presents a unique and exciting opportunity for a manufacturer to enter the market with a long overdue correction to what has been an ergonomic anomaly.